I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping. Clean the phone thoroughly with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl alcohol so dust won't trap under the protector. Then measure the visible screen area precisely. Mark sensors, camera, and any curved edges because those dictate the cut. Once measured, place a 0.5 to 1 mm PET sheet or thin glass substitute on a flat surface and trace the outline with a fine tip marker, leaving a 1 to 2 mm margin to avoid edge lifting. You proceed to cut and shape. Clamp a straight edge and score repeatedly with a sharp hobby knife until the PET separates cleanly. Patience gives a crisp edge. Once cut, use 400 to 800 grit sandpaper or a nail file to round corners and match any screen curvature so the protector sits flush. Make a test fit on the phone. If holes or edges misalign, trim tiny amounts and resand. Make sure the camera, speaker, and sensor openings line up before moving to adhesive. You finish by applying the adhesive. Use a thin layer of clear liquid optical adhesive or narrow double-sided tape around the perimeter and any cutouts. This prevents trapped glue spreading over the display. Once done, use a dust removal sticker and align the protector precisely, then lower it and press from the center outward to push out bubbles. Make sure to let any liquid adhesive cure fully as instructed. If you notice lifting or touch issues after curing, reseat or replace the protector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.